In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import WebM into Premiere Pro the right way because Premiere Pro usually does not support WebM files directly. So if you've downloaded a WebM clip and tried to bring it into your project and nothing happens or the file won't load properly, don't worry, you're in the right place. The easiest solution is to convert the WebM file into MP4 first and then import that converted file into Premiere Pro. I'll show you the best free method first, plus a quick online method if you need something fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and let's jump right in. The first method is the best option for most people because it gives you better quality and more control. For this, you can use a free converter like HandBrake, or if you already have Adobe Media Encoder, you can use that too. Start by opening HandBrake on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official website and install it first. Once HandBrake opens, drag and drop your web file into the program or click to browse and select the file manually. After the file loads, look for the format settings. You want to set the output format to MP4 and if available, choose the H.264 codec. That format is widely supported and works very smoothly inside Premiere Pro. Next, make sure you keep the same resolution and frame rate as the original file whenever possible. That helps preserve the quality of your video and prevents any unwanted changes when you bring it into your edit. If you see any advanced settings, you can usually leave them as default unless you specifically need to change something. The goal here is just a clean, high-quality MP4 conversion. Once everything looks good, choose where you want to save the file, then click the Start or Encode button to begin converting. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments. When the conversion is finished, you'll now have an MP4 version of your WebM clip, and that is what you will import into Premiere Pro. Now open on Adobe Premiere Pro and open your project, or start a new one if you haven't begun editing yet. To import the converted file, press Ctrl+I on Windows, or use the import option from the file menu if you prefer. Then select the MP4 file you just created and click Open. Premiere Pro should now bring the file into your project without the compatibility issues you had with the original web. From there, you can drag it into your timeline and start editing like normal. If you want a faster option and don't mind using an online tool, there is also a second method. You can use a converter like CloudConvert or Convertio. These tools work through your browser, so you don't need to install extra software. Just open the website, upload your WebM file, choose MP4 as the output format, and start the conversion. Once the file is finished converting, download the MP4 version to your computer, then go back into Premiere Pro and import that new file exactly the same way as before. This method is convenient if you only have one or two files and want a quick fix, but for larger or more important projects, I usually recommend HandBrake or Media Encoder because they give you more control and are often more reliable. So to quickly recap, Premiere Pro does not usually import WebM directly, so the best workflow is to convert WebM to MP4 first, then import the MP4 into Premiere Pro. That's the simplest and safest way to get your footage into your editing project without headaches. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips, and I'll see you in the next video.